Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows Update 1803 issues on Windows 11. First, we will run the built-in Troubleshooter. Open Settings from the Start menu. Go to System, then click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Wait while Windows scans for problems and applies fixes automatically. This step can resolve common update errors quickly. Next, we will fix corrupt system files. Right-click on the Start menu and choose Command Prompt with Administrator Rights or Open Terminal as Admin. Now type the following command and press Enter. SFC Scanno. This will scan your system for damaged files and repair them. Wait for the process to complete. After that, type the next command and press Enter DISM Online Cleanup Image Restore Health. This command checks the system image and restores any missing or corrupted components. Let it finish fully before moving on. Now, we will clear the Windows Update cache. In the search bar, type Services and open it. Find Windows Update, right-click it and select Stop. Then, open File Explorer and go to C Drive. Then Windows, then Software Distribution and open the Download folder. Delete all files inside this folder. Once done, go back to Services, right-click Windows Update again and select Start. This resets the update cache and can fix stuck or failed updates. Thanks for watching.